In this video, I will guide you on how to fix YouTube not working in Google Chrome. First, you want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Now visit YouTube and check the issue. Test YouTube in another browser such as Microsoft Edge. Check whether YouTube works in the other browser. Now you want to fix the date and time issue. For that, you want to right-click on the clock at the bottom right of your computer screen and select Adjust Date and Time. Verify that date and time are correct. Compare the time with another device if necessary. Turn on Set Time automatically. Return to YouTube in Google Chrome and refresh the YouTube page. Fully close and reopen Google Chrome and check whether YouTube is working again. If it is not, you want to clear Chrome browsing data. For that, click on these three dots. Here, select Delete Browsing Data. Now select All Time over here and select Browsing History, Cookies, and other site data and cached images. Then click Delete Data. Now close Chrome completely, then restart it. Now open YouTube and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.